Hello everyone and welcome, my name is Leo, I'm glad to see you here. This is Tecnologiaparami. Remember that this is a channel where we make Spanish and English review. Today we're going to make this unboxing, so let's go! I'm so glad to have this device here. As you can see, we have here the Mi wireless outdoor security camera, 1080 pixel set. You have the instructions inside the box that I highly and strongly recommend you to read, because it will help you to make it easier for you to connect the camera with your smartphone. This is the Mi wireless outdoor security camera, as I said, has the video codec 8.265 and it's very efficient and it has a really great quality. We have a great aperture, f2.1. This will allow the camera to receive a lot of light. Remember that you can set up this device using the Xiaomi Home or Mi Home app, and it's available for Android and for iOS. Once you download the app, you only have to add your account and the app automatically will add the device near of you. Just make sure you are near of the device. We have here an outdoor wireless connectivity and of course a wide dynamic range. That means that we have a great shadows and highlights recording performance. And maybe you are wondering about the camera battery. And answering that question, we have a 5800 mAh large battery capacity. This camera has an AI human detection, smart alarm, and of course IP rating IP65. And yes, this camera has IR lights. And following the Xiaomi design line, we have here a very minimalistic designing, and I love it because it makes it very minimalistic and in coherence with another product. And maybe I forgot to mention this, but with this camera we have audio recording, and the app will send you a notification if there is any movement in the camera or if someone passing by. Now I will show you some video samples that I recorded or the camera recorded. That's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any doubt or any suggestion, please leave it in the comment. Remember that you help us a lot if you subscribe to the channel. Please leave a comment, give us a like, and of course, see you in the next video. My name is Leo, this is Tecnología para mí. Ciao, ciao.